Welcome to Metasteps District Tutorial. District is a web page with brand customization options where you can organize your 3D spaces, manage members, and create virtual experiences. Let's get started with districts. Set up your district. Activate the Pro plan from your account page to get started. Choose public or private mode for your district. Choose a district name and custom subdomain and click Next. Start with 4 free publishing slots, but you can buy more with credits. Next, select your free pre-made space to use for multiple 3D spaces within the district. More pre-made spaces are available to buy with credits. Review your subscription and credits, then click Publish. Personalize your district. First, upload your logo and a web banner for a cohesive brand identity. Click the Edit Info button to add a motto, description, and social links. In Settings, you can customize fonts, theme color, and more. You can also hide your district from the Explore page until it's ready, and change your privacy or public mode if needed. Manage members and assign roles. Invite members via email or by searching with their username if they are already registered in Metasteps. The members who have joined the district are shown under All Members tab, where you can assign them as creators and guests. The creators can create, design, and publish 3D spaces, whereas guests can only visit the spaces within a district. The next step is to assign creators to specific slots, enabling them to publish their 3D spaces. District owner and creators can further control access to specific spaces, even if the district is public or private. Set up your district today and start building your community.